My Vizio TV apps are gone. What can I do?
You could try resetting a Vizio widget by selecting the Via button on the remote. Just select the widget, push OK, pick System Settings, OK, restore factory settings, hit OK again to reset that widget.
This isn't one particular app that isn't working, and no, I didn't delete one I'm looking for and exaggerating. They are all gone.
I've heard of maintenance to an app making one like Vudu disappear off the store until fixed. If there are problems with the connected TV store, Widget Gallery or whatever else they call it, you probably won't see the apps.
Widget Gallery was replaced by Yahoo Connected TV store in 2012. And an internet search didn't say it was down.
So exit the Vizio widget apps, then go to Setup and verify that the internet connection for the TV is working.
I know my internet connection works, because I already tried to look this up online.
It doesn't mean someone didn't put a Wi-Fi hotspot too close to the TV for it to make an internet connection, or the wired cable for it to not interfere with the wireless gaming controls got disconnected.
I haven't done anything with the internet connection for the TV.
Then verify the network connection is properly set up, since someone changing the password for the local network but not in the TV settings could mess you up.
That would be annoying but solvable as long as someone else remembers the password.
If the TV can make a connection, then go back to the widget apps and see if you can bring up the application palette.
I can't say what may have caused this in the first place.
If the TV firmware has changed, you may have to run through this process.
Or reboot to try and fix it.
Unplug it, wait 5 minutes, plug it back in. And if it can't see the internet from the TV but can with some other device in the house, do the same thing to your router.
I'm trying to think of what you haven't told me to power cycle. How do you do a firmware update?
If you don't have an internet connection via the TV, you can download the updates off the Vizio website, install on a flash drive and upload it to the TV via the USB port.
With that method, you have to be careful not to fat finger the model number of your TV to get the right update.
And don't forget to save the firmware update as an IMG file too, or it won't go right.
I just don't want it to go wrong.
When the TV comes back on after you power cycle it, hit the info button on the remote to check the firmware version of the TV.
Now I'm glad it usually updates the firmware on its own.
If you check the website and there are no firmware versions listed for your TV model, there's nothing to update.
Which means that isn't the solution I need.
There's the possibility you need to restore the TV to factory defaults. If the unit was made after 2013, hit Menu, System, OK, Reset and Admin, OK, Reset TV to factory defaults and OK.
Then if I'm okay with that, say yes, I'm sure.
It may ask for the parental code, too, and the default is 4 zeros.
I'm guessing they assume if you're too young to find that online, it is a safe password.